We've got a very unique model that we're showing off today, and it's going to be the 2026 Trailmaster 323 TBR floor plan. Now this just isn't any Trailmaster. I think the story of this one is it's a large Trailmaster and it gets that way by doing lots of small things. It's such a great deal for having such a large trailer here, but there's so many little things they've done to it which just makes it even better than all the other Trailmasters. Starting off right from the get-go, it is a pretty big trailer. You've got dual slide outs here on one side. It's a tandem axle travel trailer and it comes in at a total length of about 36 feet. You've got a kitchen on the outside, you've got bunks packed in here too, and you've just got tons of features. On the very front, you're going to see that you have a powered tongue jack. You've got manual stabilizers, you've got powered stabilizers around the rest of the unit, and you've got covered 20-pound propane tanks on the front. One of the small things it does that makes such a big difference, and that's going to be the story for this whole trailer, is the outside. Looking at it right now, this is another Trailmaster right beside me. For those of you who are perceptive, you're going to see that this has a siding style to it, where this is a full fiberglass finish on the outside. It's a little difference with a big impact, and it just looks great, let alone all those benefits you're going to get with fiberglass. You're going to have a pass-through storage area. It's quite a wide trailer, so you've got lots of room to pack things into this unit itself. And although no one's going to see it, you've got a beautiful interior here with your lights, your wallpaper, and your faux wood floor there to it. You've got a nice large awning here with your LED strip. It is a powered awning as well, and you're going to have dual entry for this trailer. You've got an entry here which is quick access to your master bedroom and your main living area, and you're also going to have entry here to your washroom. I'm always a big fan of having dual entries with access to a washroom, because regardless if you have a big family or if you're entertaining lots of guests, it's a quick and easy way for someone to get into the washroom and not trek mud through your entire beautiful trailer. And once you get inside, you will see this is a beautiful trailer. Looking at the outside kitchen here, you've got everything you need. You've got a Flame King griddle top here. This is straight from the factory, so I'm going to leave it stowed in there how it is right now. Everyone knows if you are cooking, you want plenty of spices. You've got all your racks here for your spices. You've got a nice properly plumbed sink here, not just a little tub that's going to fill up with water. And you've got your nice, pop this open here, your full electric fridge here on the side as well. Walking around the rear of this trailer, you're going to have ladder to have access to your roof if you need to do any maintenance. It's a very convenient feature. Talking about convenience, you're also going to have it prepped for a backup camera if you would like. You've got a large window here which is going to go into your bunk room in the rear. Just a fantastic looking bunk room. You've got your spare tire and both of your dual slide outs. It really shines on the inside of the trailer, and you're going to kind of probably get sick of me saying the small things they do to make this stand out from the rest of the Trailmasters. But that's really the story once we get in here. Starting off right with the master bedroom, it's quite similar layout to you're going to see with other Trailmasters. So you're going to have same on either side of the bed. You're going to have a 110 volt receptacle. You're going to have 5 volt USB-A and USB-C chargers on either side. You're going to have storage compartments on either side, but here are a couple of the small things. You've got storage up above here with these beautiful looking doors, not just an open storage area, but a proper spot where you can stow stuff away. Wardrobe closet is fairly standard, but still beautiful for having in these Trailmasters. But it's a little touched by what I like to see is an actual path to walk through this right here. I've been filming videos on Trailmasters all day because we just got a whole bunch in, and a lot of them are snugged right up to this wall. Giving you that a little bit extra room, you've actually got a little path here, so you don't need to travel around this door and out to the other door. You still get access on either side, so you never have to use this path if you don't want to. But if you're a person who just likes the convenience, or it's just hard to get in your head to walk outside of a room and back in, you've got actual leg room where you can cut across here and walk easily. Got beautiful windows here on either side, and that's just one small feature I wanted to show off, which is nice about this floor plan. Looking at the kitchen, it kind of speaks for itself. You've got a beautiful kitchen, which most people, including myself, would dream to have in their home, let alone in a travel trailer. You've got a stainless steel farmhouse style deep basin sink with this almost industrial grade kitchen style hose attachment here. It looks great, it's gonna work great, and it's beautiful to see. It's a little touch again with a big difference in this trailer. Just like you'd have at home, you've got deep boxy storage. You don't have dividers in between here, so you can actually fit large things in if you need to. Cooking wise, you're gonna have a microwave, which plenty of people have lived their lives off of microwaves, but you're also gonna have a 3-burner stovetop and an oven with your gas electric fridge freezer combo. So there is no excuses not to be cooking beautiful meals and enjoying your time cooking these meals in a kitchen like this. Now this trailer is large, and I hope you have a big family to fill it, because you've got lots of sleeping options. First of all, you've got a couch here. You have to come down and see it in person because it feels amazing. The material they used on this is definitely going to be cleanable. It feels durable, and it feels nice and soft to the touch. You got that faux leather look, but it's such a supple fabric. This is also going to be one of your beds here as well. So this will pull out into a bed, and it's just going to be a great option for sleeping extra people in this trailer. If that's not enough, you've got a massive U-shaped dinette here. The U-shaped dinette is one other way. It's a little thing, it goes a long way, gives you so much more room. If you just have a regular dinette, it's surprising how many people you can actually fit on that outside corner or that inside corner, whether it's kids, grandkids, you can definitely pack them in there. That U-shaped dinette's going to give you plenty of flexibility, and it gives you more room to watch your TV. You can mount your TV up here. You've got your Furrion sound system, as well as an electric fireplace, which is going to help you warm this trailer without using any of your propane. This is going to convert to an extra sleeping spot as well. So this is going to come and drop down. You got nice large rubber bumpers, which makes it easy to set this table in this alcove. You've got these cushions which are going to come over, and now you have a large sleeping nook for an extra adult or two, or tons of kids, if they can all pack in there and have their own little sleeping corner. You've got storage up there beside. You've got storage behind here, just storage galore. I love when trailers obviously give you a lot of room to sleep people, but when they don't give you enough room to store all your belongings for those people, it never really seems to add up. But this trailer has room for people and room for all of their belongings. You'll notice up above me here too, you've got vents here because you've got ducted air. Below me, you've got your heating, so everything you would have in a regular home, you've got in this trailer. You've got this washroom with its own separate entry. A trailer like this is perfect for people who have lots of kids and grandkids, and you can't have kids and grandkids without having a place to wash them. So you do have a shower, but another little feature is you've got this tub here as well. Perfect for letting your feet soak off, or actual kids need to have a bath. That's a perfect area to do so. You've got your sink right here, medicine cabinet with more storage. And that separate entry, you've got places here to hang towels or even extra jackets if you just want to step in from your outdoor kitchen and grab an extra coat if it's getting cold. Now I think the best part of this trailer is this back bunk room. An area to store things, an area for kids to play, an area to hang out, for teenagers to be away from their parents, anything like that. This is what that back room is for. A great use of space. You've got this bunk up here. This is going to be your outdoor kitchen. That's why you've got this kind of nudged out a little bit, but it's a perfect use of space. You still get storage compartments here, a ladder to get up, and each bed is going to have their own USB and USB charging port and LED puck light. Over to this side, you've got yet another bunk here, and they are nice wide bunks. So you've got plenty of room up here for multiple kids if you want it and they get along, or just an extra person. You've got a bunk here, a bunk below. And this was the main thing which got me thinking about this trailer, just the little things. I've seen lots of trailers here with these bunks at the bottom, but you get this little gap here, which is just going to be a perfect spot to store shoes, store any extra little things. If you were just to drop this down a couple of inches, you've lost storage. You still have an area to sleep, but you've lost storage. Even just lifting it up doesn't negatively impact having a bed here, but it gives you a whole little strip just for extra storage. Might even be that perfect height to roll in one of those underbed rolling storage totes. A perfect spot and a nice little touch. I have a feeling this trailer is going to go fast, so if you want to see everything else it has in person, come on down and check this one out before it sells at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.